Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use screen time on iPhone to limit app usage, and here's how it is done. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Screen Time. In Screen Time, tap App Limits. After that, click on Add Limit. Select the categories of apps you want to limit, like social, entertainment, or games. You can also select specific apps. After selecting, tap Next. Now choose how much time you want to allow for that app or category each day. You can customize the time for each day of the week. Tap Add to apply the limit. Once the time is up, the app will be locked for the rest of the day, though you can extend it if needed. Want even more control over your screen time? You can use downtime to schedule when only certain apps are available, like during work or family time. Go back to screen time and tap downtime. Toggle downtime on. Set a start and end time for when you want downtime to be active. During downtime, only apps you have allowed will be accessible, and all others will be grayed out. You can always add exceptions if there are apps you need to use during that time. If you are settling limits for your kids, or even for yourself, you can add an extra layer of security by using a screen time passcode. This prevents anyone from extending the app limits without your permission. In screen time, scroll down and tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Set a 4-digit passcode to protect the settings. Now, no one can change the screen time settings or extend app limits without entering the passcode. Once your limits are set, you can always go back to screen time to track your usage and adjust the limits as needed. Here's how to check your reports. In screen time, tap See All App and Website Activity to view a detailed breakdown of your daily or weekly app usage. You can adjust limits by going back to app limits and modifying the time for any category or app. And that is everything you need to know about how to use screen time on iPhone to limit app usage. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.